Dr. Mike here from Life Extension. You know, obviously right now during this time, there's a lot of fear, there's a lot of uncertainty, there's a lot of anxiety. We're all in this together. We're all experiencing this together. And we just want you to know that at Life Extension, we are keeping a close eye on the situation. And at the end of the day, we want you to stay healthy and safe, and we also want our employees to stay healthy and safe. And so our doctors, our scientists, we're closely following the CDC guidelines and the World Health Organization recommendations. So we just want you to know that if you place an order, it could be back ordered, but we are working hard behind the scenes to get that product to you as soon as we can. Listen, again, we're all in this together, right? It's a tough time, but we want you to stay safe, we want you to stay healthy, and we're here to help you do that. I'm Dr. Mike. Thanks for watching.